All right, so today while at work, got a message that the battery needs maintenance on our generator. It sent me an email and a text message, and it's got a half green, half yellow light. Normally this is all the way green. It says on the display here to inspect the battery. From what I read online, it just seems to be a maintenance thing. It's just a reminder to check it. So we're gonna just make sure we don't have any issues. We're gonna open it up to the battery compartment, check the voltage, make sure everything's okay, and then see how it starts, see how it sounds. I apologize for the noise. It's, I guess, time to mow. Everybody's mowing. This is the message we got on the Gen Monitor app showing that the battery needed maintenance. So the battery's housed right down here in this compartment. So you just have to take off these two screws. Alright. So let's take a look at the battery here. Everything looks good. No corrosion. I don't see any acid coming out of it. Everything looks good and clean. We'll go ahead and check the voltage. Alright, so we're getting 13.59 volts. I don't see any battery issues. Everything looks okay. Let's go through the menu here. Yeah, so it just wants to know if we performed the service. So we did check the battery. And now the error code is clear and off. So we'll go ahead and start it and just see how the battery sounds. So after we cleared it, this is what the app shows now. It's ready to run. So the battery sounded good and strong. There's no issue. We cleared the code. It was definitely just a reminder code. There's no problems at all. After it started, it dropped to like 12 point something volts. Now it's already back up to 13.3. While we got everything apart, or opened up anyway, and I'm out here with it unlocked, we'll go ahead and just check the oil real quick. So the oil's still clean. It's still in the operating range at full. So no issues there. So we'll just get everything put back together here and we'll be good to go. All right, everything checks out. We're back to our green light. No yellow, no red, everything's good. It says we're ready to run. Everything's fine. So just a quick video. We haven't had that happen yet before. I think it may be a new thing with the Gen Monitor, just as a reminder to check the battery out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, ring that bell. See you on the next video.